back again with our setup and plan outlook video. This is a Friday, and yesterday I had a very clean price action, though we missed out some trades, not because we didn't see the trades coming, but because one of our rules was not activated. We had news, and that's when the price went our direction. So we had to wait for the perfect setup. Why? Because trading is going to be here forever and ever, for more than millions and billions of years to come. So more opportunities are coming. The most important thing is to be extremely disciplined and to have your system in place and your edge. That's when you're going to be extremely consistently profitable and successful in forex trading, right? And consistency is one of the most important things. So let's get to it. First and foremost, always market structure. External market structure, the direction of the market, the bias, that daily bias, Okay, guys, so here you can see we had our last break of structure to the downside, right? Because if you check here, you just see this all like this. The price is moving down. So then after it shifted, then again continued up, then it shifted down. So if you see here, we have our change of character to the upside. Then we have our break of structure to the upside. And then we had our change of character to the downside, external market structure, right? Then that means external structure, the market is bearish, right? So we mark out our this one was mitigated already, also this one. We mark out our first sell order block, bullish order block, which is this one. And you understand that this is our discount zone and this is our premium zone, right? And this is our swing high. Swing high. Then we go to 30 minutes for more. This one also our another bullish order block, right? So we have our liquidity, which is here, up here, our Asian liquidity, you can see it here. And now my plan is very simple. Very simple. I have two scenarios for this. The first scenario is I'm going to wait for London Open. When I wait for London Open, then I'm going to mark out the first 30 minutes candle for London Open. Then if the first 30 minutes candle, I'm going to mark it out. It's high and it's low. And if the second candle, that's the second candle, the 30 minutes second candle in the London session, close below with the body candle close below that 30 minutes first candle, I'll be looking for sales from the 5 minutes fair value gap. I hope you understand this. Explain this more in my coming videos. Then that's the first scenario. That will be like a scalping strategy, the intraday scalping strategy. Then the second scenario, my second plan, I'm going to wait for the price to sweep this Asian liquidity. Then I wait for the market structure shift on 1 minute. Then I continue selling this price. That's scenario number 2. And then scenario number 3, I think would happen on Friday, on Monday. to use this order block. If the price go up to this side. Those are the three scenarios. So at the moment, I have to be extremely patient and wait for the price to come to me. Right? Because it's like a scenario. You just have to be a sniper in the market. You don't have to be John Rambo. You just have to be a sniper. You wait for that perfect setup, for that perfect moment. Wait for the price to come to you. Then you take that opportunity. Right? Then Euro USD. Super simple price action. Let's go back because I've been getting some DMs. You're saying the market is bearish. Why you say it's bearish and it's moving up, so and so. But on my own understanding, with my strategy, the price is moving down. Why? You can see this was our break of structure, and this was our last break of structure to the upside, right? Then we have our change of character to the downside, and this one's not a, and then you have our break of structure to the downside, external market structure. Then that means this is our swing high, external structure. This is our swing low here down. So all this is our market delivery. Then here you can see that my only scenario today on EU, I'm just going to wait for the liquidity, for the price to sweep this Asian liquidity, and it's already swept cleanly. Then I'm going to wait for that London open, and I'm going to go to 1 minute for that London open. Then I'm going to wait for the shift to the downside. Then I continue selling, targeting this Asian low liquidity. Super simple, and it's going to be a scalping strategy, scalping scenario. Only scalping EU today, scalping. Day trading, scalping, day trading, scalping, day trading. Super simple, right? Then for gold, I've not been sending my analysis for gold, but if you look closely, it's just consolidating around. Though we can have some trends, and I had some trade yesterday, but the way to explain this, it will be a little bit more confusing according to our market structure, our strategy. So I just want to leave it like this for now, because it will be more scalping, and I don't want to tell you to scalp gold at the moment, right? Then for DJ, very simple price action. We had our trade here yesterday, but we didn't take it because of news, and it's okay, because in my previous video I told you that missing trades, it's always fine, and it will happen. If you're a trader, you're going to miss out some trades, sometimes because of the rules, sometimes because of your time, sometimes because of like inactive in the market at the moment when the price go into your P&L, point of interest. Okay, this was our last break of structure to the upside. This is our change of character to the upside. Then this was our order block. which was it was our order block, which was later disrespected, and then it automatically became our breaker block, sell breaker block. You can see it. So we just need to be patient, and we see what really happened in the following hours, following minutes. Because you can see it's if this 30 minutes closes from here, then I'm going to delete this order block because it will be invalid, because it was disrespected once, then second class, then I just leave that. Class means finish. Then we're going to be having another order block, which is here. Another one. No. It will be only this one. It will be only this sell order block. It will be only that one. Only. Let me check on 15 minutes. Even on 15, we don't have that order block on 15 minutes. Even we have this. Even this one is also an order block. You can also mark it out. You never know. And that's it for GJ. And for GU, it's already playing out very well. But the problem is, it's playing out very well without retesting, coming back to refill our imbalance, our fair value gaps. And that will happen multiple times. But the most important thing is for you to be extremely patient, trusting your strategy and waiting for the perfect time to execute your trade. Again, market structure. You can understand market structure, external market structure. You can see. This is what we're expecting, for the price to come and take out this up to here, this fair value gap. So our last break of structure. To the upside. And this is our order block. Then this was our final confirmation after taking out this liquidity. Then you had our 15, you had our 1 minute. Then our plan is very, very simple. You're going to be patient. But I think not today. I'm not expecting this price to drop again. Waiting for the price to come back to this, that imbalance. Then I'll wait for that 5 minutes candle close. Then I'll be taking buys. If I get that final confirmation, then I'll be targeting this next swing high. With my stop loss just below here on this protected low, the swing low. Okay, guys, that's it. Peace out. Consistency and patience, discipline, then you're good to go. Peace out.